Welcome to round 3. Now we're going to work our way to the upper body. Probably my most favourite exercise has to be the push-up. Why? Because you could do it anywhere and anyone can do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to start on our knees. If you're just a beginner, you'll probably find it a lot easier to get on your knees. What I want you to do is bring your hands out in front and try and have your thumbs directly in line with your chest. Now your hands don't want to be out too far. That's just going to put too much load and pressure on your shoulders. So just nice and natural, in line with the side of your waist. Out, out. I turn my hands out slightly and I have my thumbs in line with my chest. And all you're simply going to do is lower your body down to the ground and then coming straight back up. Now, did you see how low I went? My chest actually touched the ground. That is how low I want you to go. Down and all the way up. Okay? Now, if you find that you're getting a little bit cramped, you can actually take your hands out slightly and then go again. And up. Now my elbows were actually kept by my side. I didn't put them out like chicken wings. I kept them behind me. Once you've managed to do about 10 on your knees, there's no reason why you can't go up onto your toes. Give it a shot. Even if you get 2 or 3 out, it's better than nothing. You can start on your toes, do as many as you can, and then drop down to your knees. So, we set ourselves up, hands in line with your chest, come up onto my toes, keeping my body nice and straight, making sure my elbows go behind me and my chest lowers to the ground. When you feel like you've had enough or you just can't push yourself up anymore, drop down to your knees and try and do a few more. And that's your basic push-up. So just like I showed you in round 2 with the body weight squats, you should be aiming for about 20 or 25 push-ups. Now if you're starting out on your knees and you can do that many on your knees, you should be getting up onto your toes. Even if you get out about 10 or 12, it's okay. Drop back down to your knees and then finish them off to about 20 or 25.